What's going on, everyone? Mike Power here, and we are back at the Type S Auto Garage for another application-specific kit that we're going to be doing some R&D on. Today we have a 2022 Mustang, and it's pretty sweet because it was souped up by the boys over at RTR. So we're going to be getting into it today using our Pro Series lineup, figuring out what we can put in there to make this thing stand out and make the interior look awesome. All right, so I'm in this 2022 Mustang, checking it out, looking for areas that we can add lighting and, spruce up the look in here. And right away, some areas on the dash are standing out to me, a little bit on the paneling, on the center console as well. So I'm gonna take our ultra slim smart LED trim kit, and we're gonna take this out and fit it into the place that I think it will work the best. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna take the measurements, cut them down, make them fit as well as we can, and then they're gonna be turn into the actual kit that just goes right on the car. So it's really cool, and we're gonna get right into it and show you guys what we got going on and how we're gonna do it. All right, guys, so this is what we have for the final setup on this 2022 Mustang, and I think it looks amazing. We played around with different areas on the car, but I think this is what looks the best and will be the easiest for you guys at home to install. Make sure you let us know in the comments what you think about this kit, and also help us pick what car we should do this to next.